This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, June 11th. I'm James Spann. We stay rather unsettled tomorrow with this weak upper low nearby, but next week looks like the hottest week so far this year, with showers becoming few in number. Let's go ahead and check things out today. The core jet stream, of course, is way up north. There is a weak upper low in the region. You can see the pockets of showers and storms in scattered spots nicely on the visible satellite view this afternoon. And like recent days, the storms that have developed are strong. They're not moving much, and the really heavy ones are dropping some small hail, gusty winds, and producing some very heavy amounts of rain. That was the radar at 2:38. Had some decent storms in parts of Jefferson, Shelby, Talladega, Perry counties. And we'll see those things popping up and slowly dying out for the next several hours. Temperature is all over the board. Where it's dry, it's pretty toasty today. Look at Huntsville. They've got 92. But the Shelby County Airport's only at 75 because it's raining there. Birmingham at 80 with nearby showers, but Tuscaloosa in the upper 80s at 89. Up north, flash flood watches for a number of states, stretched out from Utah to the Great Lakes. And looks like a tornado watch in effect for parts of Iowa, Nebraska, and Missouri, where those states come together. And, of course, the organized severe weather risks for the next several days will be well to the north. That's today. There's an enhanced risk in that tornado watch zone. Tomorrow, slight risks well to the west and north. And on day 3, a storm is possible for much of the eastern two-thirds of the nation, all that green there, but severe weather should be fairly hard to find. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Heavier totals down south near the Gulf Coast. And again, we stress this is no washout deal down there. In fact, they'll trend drier this weekend and next week. Up this way, amounts about a half inch. And, of course, we all know that the distribution will be very uneven because of the scattered nature of the storm. Some spots might see 2 inches of rain in 45 minutes, and other spots with absolutely nothing. And the tropics are quiet. No tropical storm formation for a while. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Heights beginning to come up, but still it's a pretty soupy air mass, and we'll expect to see a number of scattered showers and storms around. Now, this is the NAM. It looks pretty dry tomorrow at 4 o'clock, and I guess that might be right as the heights are rising, but I still think we'll see a number of showers and storms around. Highs tomorrow, mid to upper 80s. Saturday as the weekend begins, how about low 90s? The ridge is building. Showers becoming very isolated. Most spots will likely be dry. And the same thing on Sunday. I'd say for the weekend now, we can forecast highs between 91 and 94. It'll be the hottest weekend so far this year, and get used to it. That's the deal next week. This is Monday. There's Tuesday. I think we'll be in the mid-90s on these days. Wednesday. Understand there could be a shower somewhere, but they'll be very widely spaced. And a week from today, Thursday, June 18th, the ridge maybe weakening ever so slightly and shunting down to the south, and that might open the door for a slight increase in the coverage of showers and storms, maybe by then, out there toward the end of next week. Here's the end of the forecast, Sunday, June 21st. Very typical summer pattern. No strong upper high. The westerlies are way up north, and I would say that is very typical. Partly sunny with a few spots getting an afternoon storm. Ooh, look at all the 90s next week. I see 96 on 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is coming off the ensembles here, and numbers creep down a little bit toward the end of the month, but going to be pretty toasty. Mostly 90s during the day, 70s at night, and temperatures here should be above average for the period June 19th through June 25th. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.